So the snow came and went in Paris, but the cold definitely stayed. And it had me kind of going through it for a little bit because I'm from Massachusetts and we had a ton of snow already and I just left home. But it's okay, because you know what? Paris has something that I don't have in Massachusetts, and that's this molten lava-like hot chocolate that is to die for. So I decided to take you guys along with me as I went and explored my top 3 favorite hot chocolate locations in Paris. First stop was the Champs-Élysées to the legendary La Durée. First stop is La Durée, known for its macaroons, but it has some great hot chocolate. Let's go check it out. On y va! So overall, the ambiance and the atmosphere in La Durée is very comfortable, really cozy. It's a place that you definitely want to come to get some of this delicious hot chocolate, as well as the staff is extremely French. You're going to get a true Parisian experience, and overall, I definitely think it's a place to come and visit. As I walked down one of the most beautiful avenues in the world, I headed on over to the Louvre, another world famous location, to La Maison du Chocolat. The next stop on my hot chocolate Paris tour is La Maison du Chocolat. There's a bunch of locations in Paris, but I chose one inside the Louvre because I think it's a beautiful location. Not as thick as the other one from La Durée and the one at Angelina, but
It is so delicious. Le Maison du Chocolat is called Le Maison du Chocolat for a reason, because it is really, really, really good chocolate, and I definitely suggest this hot chocolate. It is delicious.
All-time favorite location, Angelina, which I could not wait for. Of course, save the best for last, but definitely my top.
I ever had when I came to Paris was at Angelina by the suggestion of a really good friend. I was thoroughly impressed, and I was also shocked at how thick it was, and that's when it became this quest to find like other hot chocolates that were very similar. But after choosing all the ones that I've done, and even in my top 3, Angelina is definitely number 1 when it comes to hot chocolate. It is still the top of the top, the creme de la creme, and I love it. Please, the next time you come, you have to go to Angelina, no matter the weight.